video, we'll be taking a look at wikis. Before we get into creating and editing a wiki, it's worth describing what a wiki actually is and why we use them. A wiki is a project developed together by a community of users, allowing any user to add and edit content. It is an exercise designed to get students working together in a group. Your wiki has pages, which are basically Word documents that every group member can create, edit, or make changes to. In the end, you'll have a series of pages that together constitute your wiki project. It is very important to decide who will do what work and how you will communicate. Perhaps your group will organize itself via discussion board or through emails, phone calls, etc. Again, it is a very good idea to be clear on who is responsible for what work in your group project before you begin. In Blackboard, wikis are represented by this 5-sheet icon with colors. Click on the name of the wiki to open it. On top are the basic instructions left to you by your tutor. It's important to keep these in mind when you're creating new content or pages. To the right are the list of pages. The current page is listed in black, while we can skip to any of the other pages by clicking the link here. On the page is the comments section. Clicking on a comment will allow you to see previous comments that have been made. Users also have the option to create a new page up here in the top left. Let's take a look at an older page. To edit a page, select the Edit Wiki Content button up on top. Users will always be allowed to edit each other's pages and content. A history of changes and edits is kept. You will always be able to see who created the page and who was the last user to modify the content. To edit a wiki page, you'll be given a lot of options here in the toolbars. Note that these toolbar options are the same as those for discussion boards. And for more information on how to use the more complex features, please take a look at our video on using the toolbar in discussion boards. For now, I'm just going to make a small edit to this page by adding some extra content to the bottom. Your content, click Submit. You'll be notified that your edit has been successful, and we can see that there's new content here. A good way of letting other users know about previous changes or questions is through the comments section. Comments allow you to leave notes in the wiki without affecting the content of the wiki. To create a comment, select the comment button, write your comment, and when you're happy with your comment, click Add. To view your comment or other comments, click the Comments button here. Let's return to the home page. To create a new page in your wiki, select the Create Wiki Page option in the top left. Once you've created the new page and given it a title, the page will also appear here in the wiki details. The tutor instructions are up here. Once you've given your wiki a suitable name and opening content, you can click Submit down here. Your new wiki page will appear in the wiki details here. And to return to the home page, click the home page on top here. Finally, you can always view the changes and the history of changes that have been made to pages. This is a very useful feature, especially if you've accidentally made a change that you didn't mean to, or you'd like to see who changed what. To view the history of changes, go to the down arrow here and select History. As we can see, there have been 3 different versions of this page. Selecting an older version will open it, and you'll be able to see what the page looked like originally. Here we can see in the first version that our page did not have any text. While in version 3, the version that we've just made, we can see that new text has been added.